Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Spark of Curiosity. In this short video series, we'll be traveling to Thailand, and in this video, we'll be taking a one-day tour of Bangkok. So without much delay, let's get on with it. To stay updated with Spark of Curiosity, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. After spending 3 fun-filled days in Phuket, we flew back to Bangkok to spend a day there. We arrived at Don Muang Airport in the afternoon. After exiting the airport from Terminal 2, we went to exit gate 12 to catch the A1 bus from Don Muang to Mochit BTS SkyTrain station. The bus just cost us 30 baht per person. It is a very cheap alternative to hiring a taxi, and the frequency of these A1 buses is also very high. If you are exiting the airport from Terminal 1, then you will be able to catch the bus at gate 6. It took us around half an hour to reach Mochit station. Here we caught the SkyTrain going to Payathai. Our hotel was around 800 meters from the Payathai station. I would strongly suggest you to book a hotel close to either a BTS SkyTrain station or a MRT subway station. This way you will be saving a lot of money that you would have otherwise spent on taxis. The metro train system, which is a combination of both BTS SkyTrain and MRT subway, connects the entire city very well. The hotel we had booked in Bangkok was Cubic Prathunam. It was a pretty good hotel for a price of 2000 rupees per day. We rested for the night and planned to explore the city on the next day. The following day, we started early and we planned to go to Wat Arun and Wat Pho. You can easily get to Wat Pho by taking the metro. Sanam Chai MRT subway station is the closest station to Wat Pho. Wat Pho is the temple of the sleeping Buddha. The reclining Buddha idol in this temple is 46 meters long. The construction of this temple was completed in the year 1788. Right next to Wat Pho temple is the Grand Palace, which is the residence of the King of Thailand. Right across the Chao Phraya river from Wat Pho temple is the Wat Arun temple. You will have to take a 5-minute ferry across the river to reach the temple. Wat Arun is the temple of the sun. It is said to be completed in the year 1656. We also visited Wat Mukut, just a few kilometers from Wat Pho. After visiting all the temples, we caught a train to Chatuchak Weekend Market. This market was established in the year 1942 and has more than 15,000 stalls. You can shop for anything ranging from small souvenirs to household furniture. You can find decorations, consumer electronics, antiques and handcrafted items. You could spend a whole day here and still would have not visited all the stalls in the market. After spending some time at the market, it was time for us to catch our flight. So we went back to Mochit station, which is at a convenient walking distance from Chatuchak market. From there, we caught A1 bus to Don Muang airport and returned back to India.
Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. It will encourage me to produce more videos. Thank you once again and never stop being curious. Until next time, goodbye.